Okay, in this video, we're going to learn how to make a mind map, which is a visual map of thoughts using Google Docs and an extension or an add-on in Google Doc. So what I've done is just typed up some stuff. We're talking about some optics that's all around us, and subcategories are at home, at school, at play, and then what we did was just brainstorm some ideas to go with each thing. So we've got some ideas of where you might have some optic devices at home, at school, and then for fun. Now, we need to put something called an add-on. So you click on add-ons, you go to get add-ons, and then right here where the search window is, if you type in the word mind and hit enter, MindMeister comes up. So I've already installed it. If you haven't installed it yet, it'll have this blue square. So you just click on it. It'll appear inside this tab right here, which is add-ons. So you'll see it says right here, MindMeister, and it says make the mind map. So what I'm going to do before we start is get rid of these spaces. So everything is all put together. Now I'm going to highlight all of the information that we have typed up, and I'm going to put in some bullets. Underneath this subcategory of home, I'm going to highlight these few points. Now I go up to format, and I'm going to go to align or indent, and I'm going to increase indent. So this actually gives you what's called sub bullets. I'll do the same thing for schools, so highlight all the points underneath schools, go to format, it's the align or indent, I go down to increase indent, and the same thing with our last one here. So now we've got bullet points and then sub bullet points. Highlight everything, go to add-ons. Now we can go to MindMeister and click insert as a mind map. And there is our mind map. So you'll see, here's optics, physics all around us. The categories were at home, at play, at school. Here's all of the points that we had that went with it. Now, if you need to go in and do some kind of editing, like let's say, for instance, you've come up with an idea of where you might have some optical devices at school, you'd have to go back up into your list, you'd have to add it, then you'd have to highlight everything again and create a new mind map. So any changes you make here will not instantly come up on this mind map. And once you've got this, you can copy, paste it, you can put it into another document, whatever you need to do.